Now let us start exercise 6.1. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? You can see last it is multiply 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 9 9s are 81. So 1, 3 3s are 9. So in this way you can find. No need to, because so many properties you will be not able to sometimes to keep in your mind. So in this way what you will last it is multiply itself. So you will get. So what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? Column wise what you will write here? You will write the questions and divide this into column, the page into column, that means, and numbers and unit digit will be at what will be the unit digit? So unit digit will be in the given square number, and then write 81 1. Clear? The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reason. So same way, according to the definition, we know for the perfect square number the unit digit should be 1 4 6. Yes, tell me. 9 0 0 1 4 5 6 and 9. But here is 7, here is 3, here is 8, here is 2, 0, but not just a double. Odd number of zeros are there. 2 odd numbers are 0 and 1 odd number of zeros are here. So give the reason. Clear? Because its unit place is 7, and according to the definition of perfect square number, the digits should be at unit place this. Same reason, same. And here you will write here the zeros are in the odd number of zeros here, or you can say that 3 zeros are here, and in the perfect square zeros should be in the even number of form. The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? Obviously odd numbers. Odd numbers. Clear? Now observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. Okay. 1 0 0 1 2 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 2 0. Here are 00. If 00 is there, 00. Here 4 zeros, so 4 zeros are there and 4 zeros are here. So try to. This question you can do only in the textbook, and this also put the tick mark. But first and question and second you will copy in the notebook. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. Okay. 1 0 2 0 1 1 0 0 1 square. Now here is 1 0, then again 1 0 1 0 1 square. 1 2 3 4 5 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. So you will write first 6 digit and then 7 digit. So it will be easy for you. Clear? Same way this question also try do in notebook. So it will be easy for you to generate the pattern. So you can solve yourself also. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. Okay. 1 square, 2 square, 2 square, 3 square, 2 square, 3 square, 7 square, 13 square. So 4, 5. So see here. 1, 2, 2. 2 plus 3 plus 6 square, 7. 3 square, 4 square, 12 square, 13 square. Now 4 square, 5 square, so next number will be 20, because here is 21. Before previous number. So according to my, here should be 20. Let's check. Here 5, so consecutive number we are taking. So 5 square, 6 square, and before previous number is 30. 6 square, 7 square, Now see here. 3 square, 7 square, 13 square, 21 square, 31 square. So difference is, here is 4, here is 6, 8, 10, 12. So 31 and 12 will be 31 and 12 will be 43. Clear?